normal day-to-day life, where do most people get exposure other than the sun? Great question. Where does natural background radiation come from? Well, the largest chunk is from radon. Radon is the decay product of natural radium, and natural radium is a decay product through a chain from uranium and thorium. And that's where we get the largest dose. It's the air we breathe. The air that we've been breathing has been radioactive since the beginning. And that's from radon. That's about where 2/3 of our dose comes from. The next biggest chunk is going to be from the earth itself, from the uranium and the thorium and the potassium that's in the ground. We get just under 1/3 of our dose from that. That's going to be from uranium and its decay products, and thorium and all of its decay products. Uranium, it's about 3 parts per million in dirt. It's more abundant than tin. And thorium is about 3 times more abundant than that. And they have decay chains that go all the way down to lead. And as they go down through that process, they will eventually hit radium, different isotopes of radium, and both forms of isotopes of radium will give off radon, different isotopes of radon, and that's where that dose comes from. But that decay process, all those radionuclides that are in the soil, they're giving off gamma rays, and that becomes a large part of the dose that we get. In addition to potassium. Potassium is in the earth. It's also ubiquitous. It's far more common than uranium and thorium by many orders of magnitude. But it's also radioactive. It gives off a gamma and a beta, high energy gamma, high energy beta from one of its isotopes. And part of the dose that we get isn't just from the potassium in the soil, but the potassium in our food. The betas that come off of that potassium, those are internal betas, and so those contribute to our dose. And so at a similar level to that is cosmic radiation. And that's not just from the sun, but it's from all sources combined. And that's actually a small fraction of the ionizing radiation dose that we get from the sun, from the solar wind, and so forth. But that's where the radiation comes from. It's mainly from radon. And we know that if you get large exposures to high concentrations of radon, then yes, that is known to contribute to lung cancer. Absolutely. But for natural background radiation, that's where it comes from. It's largely from the earth in terms of the radon, the gamma rays that come off, the food that we eat, and then from what's in outer space. So great question. Thanks for asking it. I hope everybody learned something, enjoyed the video, and I hope you all have a very good day.